Hello friends. What's up? Welcome to Computer Repair. I come back with another tech video. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock folder without any software. Is that possible to hide any folder without any software? Yes or no? Give your opinion by writing comment in below the video. So let's take a look how to do that. At first, open Run Program by pressing Windows plus R keys. Then type here Notepad and press OK. Here type the program text very carefully. I'll put this program text in description below. Then scroll your mouse down and type here your own password. Please keep your password secure from another person. If they know your password, they can access your folder. After complete typing the text, then save the text. Save as, give the file name Locker.bat. Here create a Locker shortcut. Double-click to open the shortcut. It's automatically create a folder for you to keep your important document. Just copy the important document or whatever you want to lock. After complete to copy your desired files. Then close the folder. Then again double-click on Locker shortcut. If you asked, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Just type Y and hit enter. It's automatically hide your folder. To unhide your desired folder, double-click on Locker shortcut and type here your password. Then hit enter button. And you can see your desired folder. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and appreciate it, just so the YouTube algorithm knows that you actually likes this video. And if you have any question, feel free to post them in comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.